Hi guys, Irish here. So today, it's July 1, new month, new start for me as an agent and personally din. So today, very excited ako kasi I'm going to do a vlog na hindi ko nagagawa pa before. So today, I'm going to give you a POV of living inside Araneta City or living sa one of the condos namin here inside Araneta City, Cubao. So yun yung gagawin natin. But for me to be able to show you yung lifestyle dito inside Araneta City, Cubao, I have this agenda. So first agenda natin is to grab a coffee. So hanap tayo ng mga coffee shop na near doon sa mga properties na ino-offer namin inside Araneta City. Then second, hanap naman tayo ng food spots. Kung if ever may mga friends tayong i-invite, ganyan, or kikitain, na gusto natin silang kasama kumain, ganun. So hanap tayo ng mga food spots here. Then third, co-working space, work from home, friendly spot inside Araneta City. Ganyan, na walking distance lang din or parang short drive lang from your property. Then panghuli, if ever we want to unwind, ano kaya yung mga spot or ano kaya yung mga pwedeng gawin na malapit sa property mo na hindi ka nalalabas outside. So, yun yung papakita ko sa inyo mamaya and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So, let's go. Hi, Sir Ken. Dito ako sa Manhattan Parkview. Then tatawid doon tayo for us to get doon sa Loran Park, which is yung pre-selling condo namin na turn over on August 30, 2028. So tatawid lang tayo. Ayan. Ang maganda kasi dito, pagbaba mo sa property mo, you have this retail shop na, may convenience store na, meron na ding restaurant, and ito na yung Loran Park. And there you go. Maganda kasi dito with this property or with our properties here, yung ready for occupancy namin and even itong pre-selling condos namin, pagbaba mo, everything you need is just within your reach lang. So kanina pinakita ko yung parang fast food restaurant na pwede kayong kumain, ganon. We also have banks here. Tapat lang ng Loran Park is yung Cubao Expo. So, ayan, nandun pala siya. Punta tayo ng Cubao Expo. So, bago tayo pumunta dun, pakita ko lang din, katabi lang ng pre-selling condo namin is yung ready for occupancy condo namin. You want something na magagamit mo kaagad for Airbnb or you want to move in here already and part of Araneta City community, this condominium is available na for you to move in. It's ready for occupancy na. For as low as, I think, 5% down payment, you can move in here already. Tapos yung monthly mo here starts lang at around 18 to 20,000 for a studio unit. So, pagbaba mo ng property mo, you will have your PhilHealth here. Meron ka na ring Makati Med. Then, meron ka na ring pet salon here for your pets. Ayan. So, pagbaba mo ng condominium unit mo, all of the things that you need is nandito na. Then, you will have your own gym pa sa tapat. Ayan. Then, doon naman, you will have your Robinson Easy Mart if ever you want to do groceries. Now, let's go inside Manhattan Plaza. So, ayun guys, nag-shoot lang din kami here. So, ito yung mga isa sa option natin na ready for occupancy dito sa Araneta City, Cubao. So, this one is 1-bedroom unit, 41 square meter. So, pakita ko na lang din sa inyo. Ayan, mag-i-insert din ako ng montage clip dito. Very mabilis lang. Ang ang maganda pa dito, kitang-kita mo here yung Araneta Coliseum. Kaya itong unit na to, perfect din siya if ever you're considering Airbnb business kasi walking distance lang yung Araneta Coliseum. You can target yung mga concert goers. Ang maganda pa with this unit is that ito yung balcony mo, ayan o. So, kitang-kita mo dyan yung skyline ng Ortigas. Then, on clear days, makikita mo may mountains din doon. Ayan. Hello guys! So, after strolling, nakakita kami ng cafe here. Silingan Coffee. Thank you po ate. Silingan Coffee. So, nag-order lang si Sir Ken ng Vietnamese coffee here. Tapos ako naman, bumili ako ng brownies. Ang daming pwedeng option here sa Cubao Expo. So, ang ganda lang kasi pagbaba mo from your property, you will have this kind of spot. So, dito, napili namin yung Silingan Coffee Shop. Ayan, Silingan Coffee. So, ang ganda lang din here. Yung coffee nila dito, sir, no, around like mga 100. 175 up to 200.
Large size na siya, 22 ounce.
Yes, so it's still cheaper. Then if ever you want to work here, pwede rin naman kasi they have tables. They also have ample seats din naman. You can invite your friends. Ayan, parang change lang of scenery pag mag-work from home setup ka or if ever you want to escape lang.
This one is variable. I like it.
So from here, maglalakad tayo going to Gateway Mall 2 and Gateway Mall 1.
It's 4:23.
Yan, orasan natin kung gaano siya katagal. Grabe ang gulo na ng hair ko. Wala na yung isa namin kasama. Ayun siya. At part, yan na yung Gateway Mall 2 tsaka Smart Araneta. Then dito yung Rustans. So tatawid lang tayo here. Yay, tada. We're here na. Gateway Mall 2 to, no?
Yeah.
Then doon lang yung Smart Araneta Coliseum. Tapos ito na yung Gateway Mall. Ayun guys, marami ring cafe here na pwede nyo i-try. Then madami ding restaurant. If ever you're going to meet your clients, ganyan, or your friends, sobrang walking distance lang ng Gateway Mall 2.
Inside Gateway Mall 2, ang dami mo ng option for your food spot. American, Thai, Chinese, or anything na kinikrave mo.
So this is one of the good spot na nakita namin here at Gateway 2 na walking distance lang din with the properties na ino-offer namin here inside Araneta City Cubao. So we have the Edge Sky View Bar. So ito daw, nag-o-open siya ng around 12 p.m. up to 2 a.m. na siya. So if ever na naghahanap kayo ng spot for you to have work from home, ganyan, kasi may cafe din sila dito. Then every night, if ever you want to have your friends coming over, ganon, to hang out, we have this kind of good spot here. So, ayan, makikita nyo dito, guys, we have seat dito, ganyan. Then, you can enjoy this view. Sabi dito ni Kuya Justin, yung one of the parang nagbabantay ng bar na to, is that ang maganda dito will be yung nighttime kasi ganda ng city lights here. Ayan. So, aside from that, they also have lap pool din dito sa the Edge. So, if ever na gusto yung mag-swim, open na daw yung pool ng, I think, 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. na siya. So, ayun.
Sa baba nito, meron ding work from home friendly spot. Now guys, we also have Wolfgang's Premiere Lounge. If you want to watch movie na may premium feel, then we have Paengs. And we also have Surge if you want to do your workout. But at the same time, meron din silang work from home friendly spot.
Ayun guys, finally natapos naman natin yung video. So I hope you guys enjoy the whole video and sana na pakita ko sa inyo ng maayos kung paano yung lifestyle doon sa Cubao. But honestly, sa very short na video na yun, hindi ko pa fully napakita kung paano ba talaga yung lifestyle doon. But I hope na napakita ko sa inyo yung bits of it. But I'm very happy kasi na-achieve naman natin yung mga agendas natin. So yun, nakahanap tayo ng coffee spot na you can consider. Then, nakahanap din naman tayo ng mga libangan around Araneta City na you don't need lumabas pa or lumayo pa para lang makapag-unwind. And iba-iba din yung activity. Then, nakahanap din tayo ng mga co-working spaces or spot na work from home friendly. If ever na you do work from home setup or if ever na looking forward ka to have it rent out or para for leasing, ganyan. Isa yun sa mga selling point for your tenants. So, food hub. So, ayun, nakahanap din tayo ng mga food spot. Actually, guys, pag pumunta kasi kayo ng Cubao, sa gateway pa lang, ang dami nyo ng option. Merong Thai food, Chinese food, American food, Filipino cuisine. So, iba-iba siya. So, ang dami. Tapos, kahit sa labas, ng Laurent Park and dun sa Manhattan Plaza, ang dami ng option for food na you, your relative, your families, or your friends can enjoy kapag pinapunta mo sila dun sa area na yan. Or, if ever, it can be also your selling point kung for Airbnb business siya or for long-term leasing. So, ayun guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more about our available units, consultation, if ano yung fit na condo unit for you, is it pre-selling ba or rent-to-own, I can create a separate video for that, but also you can contact me to these details. So if ever na you're curious about how to start Airbnb business here at Araneta City, or how to start long-term leasing business here inside Araneta City, please don't hesitate to contact me to these details. So, ayan. Again, this is Irish, your senior property consultant here at Mega World Corporation. And I hope, guys, please click like, share this video to your friends or to your family na nagko-consider na matagal na ng Cubao or Quezon City property, or you can also click subscribe para updated kayo sa mga videos ko. So, ayun. See you guys on my next video.